Come with me on an unforgettable journey to Gravity Hill. Imagine stopping your car on a rural country road, shifting into neutral and watching in disbelief as your vehicle rolls backward, seemingly defying gravity up a steep hill. This is the mind-bending reality of Gravity Hill, located on Putney Road in Benzie County, Michigan. Tucked away in Blaine Township near the historic Blaine Christian Church, this isolated stretch of road has drawn thrill seekers, skeptics, and curious travelers for decades. To experience it, drivers park just past a stop ahead sign near a dense stand of pine trees. Release the brakes and let the road take over. At speeds reaching up to 20 miles per hour, cars are propelled backward toward the church, creating a surreal sensation that feels entirely supernatural.
We are like going fast.
We're going really
Careful,
fast.
careful. Yes.
Really fast. This is crazy fast. It really go up. Oh, but there's a spooky legend behind this hill called the Redemption Hill or the Holy Magnet. The eerie, isolated atmosphere of Benzie County has given rise to two distinct pieces of folklore that locals use to explain the phenomenon. The first, more wholesome legend, centers on the nearby Blaine Christian Church, which dates back to 1895. Because vehicles always roll backward toward the sanctuary, local lore jokes that the church acts as a spiritual magnet, literally pulling sinners backwards and uphill towards safety and redemption. The second, more darker legend tells the tale of an old witch who once lived in a house hidden in the nearby orchards. According to the story, a young boy was tragically killed near her property, and his restless spirit remains on the road today. Believers of this tale claim that when you put your car in neutral, the boy's ghost is actually pushing your vehicle backward up the incline to rescue you from the witch's lure. Okay, while the ghostly and spiritual tales make for fantastic storytelling, the truth behind Gravity Hill lies in the fascinating science of human perception. Despite how real the uphill pull feels, gravity is working exactly as it should. Putney Road is a textbook example of a magnetic hill or optical illusion. Because the rolling hills and dense orchards completely obstruct the horizon, your brain loses its most important physical reference point for judging slopes. Furthermore, the trees lining the road lean slightly, which tricks your eyes into misinterpreting a gentle downward slope as an upward incline. When surveyors and locals have brought precise leveling equipment out to Putney Road, the data always reveals the same undeniable truth. The car is actually rolling downhill, completely bamboozled by a brilliant trick of geography and eyesight. If you stand on the stretch of Putney Road where the phenomenon happens and pour a bottle of water onto the asphalt, the water will immediately appear to flow uphill, defying gravity by running backward toward the Blaine Christian Church. On camera, this looked incredibly jarring. Viewers can clearly see the slope of the road going in one direction, yet the liquid, which always seeks the lowest point, is actively climbing up the inclined way from the camera. When you pour the water, it is simply obeying gravity and flowing downhill. But because your brain has misread the entire geometry of the hill, it looks like the water is flowing up. Whether you visit Putney Road for the spooky folklore or to witness a spectacular glitch in human perception, Gravity Hill remains one of Michigan's most entertaining hidden gems. Ultimately, Gravity Hill proves that sometimes reality is just as fun to explore as the myths we create to explain it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more deep dives into the world's strangest anomalies.
Neutral.
Here we are, neutral.
Yeah. Foot off the brake. And we're gaining speed already
Oh yeah.
to what looks like up a hill. We're really moving.
It's amazing, yo.
Yeah, we're really moving.
Going.
Yeah.
And foot is off the brake, off the gas.
Show that. Like that.
And
looks
we're going.
down. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's bringing sinners back to repentance. And here we are at the Blaine Christian Church.
Yeah, look, I mean, if you pull up and you get a good shot right where it's the top, like you can't even see the road.
No.
See how that looks?
Yeah.
That totally looks
It
like
looks downhill.
Yes.
For sure.
Yeah.
It does.
And we just went like 10 miles an hour backwards up it.
Right.
It totally looks like that.
Well, that's the urban legend of Benzie County. Exactly. You see how it slopes? It makes it look like we're going down.
Yeah.
Actually, from this way, it does look up though.
I mean, all the land is higher here than
Yeah.
down there. All
Yeah.
of it.
It's higher here
But the road
than it is
facing.
down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.